Hello and welcome to Kitchen Basics. In this module, I'll be explaining to you how to create a wonderful tasting lasagna. Now, this is a recipe from my college days, and it has served me well for many, many years. Now, give yourself about 1.5 hours the first time you try to prepare it. With practice, however, you can reduce the time to under 1 hour. As an overview, let's look at the ingredients. We start with 1 pound of ground round. Low fat is better. Then 1/4 pound of mushrooms sliced. This is optional because I know there's some that don't like mushrooms. Then we have 12 ounces of tomato paste, 2 1/8 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 1/2 medium yellow onions diced, 3 garlic cloves smashed or diced, 5 ounces of lasagna noodles, 3/4 pound Monterey Jack cheese shredded, and then 1 3/4 teaspoon sea salt. Now, since everyone's taste is a bit different on salt, what I suggest you do is you start with 1 teaspoon, and then you gradually add more to suit your taste. As a preference, I normally use Celtic Gray sea salt, but you can certainly use any other sea salt that you prefer. Now, let's go through the process. Step 1 is we saute the garlic and onions in butter over a medium heat. Alternatively, you can use olive oil. Next, we break the ground round into pieces and add to the sauteed garlic and onions, and then cook until brown. Step 3 is we add water, mushrooms, tomato paste, parsley, oregano, and salt. Then we simmer for about 15 minutes. Step 4 is, while simmering, we cook the lasagna noodles in boiling water, and then drain and rinse in a colander using cold water so the noodles don't stick together. Step 5 is we lightly butter the sides and bottom of a casserole dish. Alternatively, you can use olive oil. And then once you've done that, you go ahead and shred the cheese. Step 7 is when both the lasagna meat sauce and the noodles are cooked, we layer both into a casserole dish. We start with some sauce, then some cheese, then noodles, then repeat the sequence. We top with the sauce, then finish with cheese on top. Now, step 8 is we place the filled casserole dish in the oven, which is pre-warmed at 350 degrees, and we leave it there to bake for 15 minutes. At this point, you can remove the dish from the oven, and for appearance's sake, you can sprinkle some dried parsley onto it. Congratulations! You've just created a wonderful tasting lasagna, and it serves 4 individuals with normal hunger pains. Enjoy. Bye for now.